Leslie, I want to take an opportunity here to thank you for speccing Rise siding on your house.
Awesome.
What type of design work do you do?
Well, I'm an architectural designer, and I've worked in residential and commercial fields. One of the things that really struck me as interesting about this product is that when I design and I specify exterior claddings, I think very critically about not only what does it look like, the aesthetics, not only how much is this going to cost my client, right? The green aspect as a green lead AP is very interesting to me as well.
So one of the things we're really proud about at Rise Building Products is we consider ourselves part of the circular economy. Basically what that is are products that are made for a use, and opposed to those products becoming waste, they go to another company who takes that good plastic, incorporates it into a new product that now has another use for it. So we work really hard at being a sustainable company. We're proud of that, and we're doing it at a price point that's competitive in the marketplace.
I mean, 94% of our product is actually recycled material. So our product is basically plastics. We use polyesters, we use nylons, we use a product called BOPP. These all come out of industries that are using these plastics in different applications. They would all end up in a landfill if we weren't using them. These companies that we're working with who are supplying us, they have green initiatives with their companies. They would much rather see that product coming to us as opposed to going into a landfill. We're happy to use that product as an environmentally conscious company. I think you'll find it hard to really find another building product that's really more green than our product. Like I said, it's 94% green.